Do you ever feel like there's too much to do after school and not enough time to relax? Balancing homework, activities, and relaxation can feel like a lot, but with a simple routine, you can manage everything and still have time for yourself. Today, I'll share an easy after-school routine that helps you stay organized while also enjoying your free time. Stick around to the end, and I'll share a tip that makes mornings easier too. Step 1. Wash your hands and unpack your bag. As soon as you get home, wash your hands and unpack your school bag. It's a quick way to start fresh. Keep your space organized and make sure you don't forget any homework or assignments that need your attention. Step 2. Finish your homework first. Get your homework done while your brain is still in school mode. This way, you won't have to worry about it later in the evening. Whether it's math problems, reading, or writing an essay, tackling your homework first gives you more free time later to relax without stress. Step 3. Grab a snack or a late lunch. Once homework is out of the way, grab a snack to refuel your energy. Something healthy like fruit, nuts, or a sandwich will help you recharge without feeling too full. Enjoy this break and give your brain a rest before moving on to the next activity. Step 4. Take a rest or relax for a few minutes. After a long day at school, it's okay to take a little break. Whether you want to scroll through your phone for a few minutes, lie down, or listen to music, a short rest will help you feel refreshed and ready for the rest of the day. Step 5. Go to the library or study for exams. If you have any big projects or exams coming up, now's the perfect time to get a little extra studying in. Head to a quiet spot at home, the library, or even a cafe with friends to review your notes and prep for the next class. Studying in small doses like this can help you retain more information without feeling overwhelmed. Step 6. Go for a walk or play outside. Once your work is done, get outside and move. Whether it's playing sports, going for a walk, or riding your bike, getting some fresh air and exercise will help you de-stress and boost your mood. Physical activity is great after sitting in school all day. Step 7. Try a fun activity. If the weather isn't great or you're not in the mood to go outside, you can try something fun indoors like baking, drawing, or even playing a quick video game. Doing something you enjoy helps balance out the structure of the day with some creativity or fun. Step 8. Help with dinner and family time. Around dinner time, offer to help set the table or prepare a meal. It's a simple way to spend time with family while also contributing. Sitting down together to eat helps you unwind and catch up with everyone after a busy day. Step 9. Prep for tomorrow's classes. Before you call it a night, take a few minutes to get ready for tomorrow. Check your class schedule, pack your bag, and make sure you've got everything you need for the day ahead. It's a small task that saves you from last-minute rushing in the morning. Step 10. Night skincare routine. Take a few minutes for some self-care before bed. Wash your face, apply moisturizer, and brush your teeth. Having a quick skincare routine will leave you feeling refreshed and help prevent breakouts. Step 11. Pick your outfit for tomorrow. Planning your outfit the night before makes mornings so much easier. Whether it's your school uniform or casual clothes for after-school activities, setting everything out the night before helps you feel more organized. Step 12. Journaling or to-do list. Spend a few minutes reflecting on your day in a journal or writing down tomorrow's to-do list. Writing helps clear your mind and prepare for a better night's sleep. Plus, you can keep track of your accomplishments and set new goals. Step 13. Wind down in comfy clothes and dim the lights. Now it's time to relax. Put on your comfiest pajamas, dim the lights, and create a peaceful environment for bedtime. This signals to your brain that the day is coming to an end, and it's time to get ready for sleep. Step 14. No scrolling. Read a book instead. Instead of spending the last few minutes of your day scrolling on your phone, try reading a book or doing something that doesn't involve screens. It helps you unwind and makes falling asleep easier. Step 15. Say your prayer. Before heading to bed, take a moment to say your prayer. It's a great way to reflect on your day, give thanks, and find peace before you sleep. Step 16. Share a moment with loved ones and end your day with something positive. Hug your pet, sibling, or parent before bed. It's a simple gesture that brings warmth and comfort, helping you feel more connected before you sleep. Remember, you don't have to do everything on this list. Just pick the steps that fit your day and help you feel more organized. And if you want to make your mornings just as easy, check out my video on a school morning routine. You won't want to miss it.